A little monkey had just finished swimming in the river. He climbed onto the bank, dripping with water, and sat there full of joy. His fur was completely wet, and he kept shaking his tiny body, splashing drops all around. Deep in his heart, he wanted to jump back into the river for more swimming, but his owner didn't allow him. The monkey sat happily, looking here and there, enjoying the fresh air and the sparkle of the water. Even though he couldn't swim again, he was still in full mood and playful spirit. The owner and baby monkey came back at home. The little monkey noticed a chick pecking at the ground, eating scattered grains of rice. Excited, he quickly joined in, sitting beside the chick. With his small fingers, he picked up the rice and ate it, sometimes looking at the chick and sometimes giggling in his own playful way. The chick and the monkey shared the grains together, enjoying the simple happiness of food and friendship.